Hello, students. Good morning. And hi also to your mom and dad and to all of you there in your home. So, how are you today? Are you doing good? Are you making well? Are you doing something good to your house? Okay, I hope and I'm sure you are doing good today. So, since this is the first day of our class, and then you cannot go to school. So your teacher Jeffrey, is sending or making you a lesson, a video lesson, in order for you to study, to continue study English. Okay? So for today, we are going to study all vocabularies in your lesson, part of your lesson in your smile book. So I get the vocabularies from your smile book. Okay, now for your first vocabulary, students, let's read it. Okay, teacher, read first, and then after I read the words, you have to follow after me. Okay, get ready. Okay, for the first word that we are going to practice is, okay, the first word, watched, played, cleaned, walk, was, visited, weekend, holiday, planted, travel, passports, tickets, suitcases, diary, opera house, Eiffel Tower, yesterday, trip, plane, exciting. Okay, so those are the 20 vocabularies. You have to practice, read the words, practice every day. Practice every day makes it perfect. Okay, so let's go to spelling time. Okay, so you have to spell the word correctly. So it's spelling time, grade 6. Okay, the first word that you are going to spell, the word is watched. Spell the word watched. 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 Okay, next word. Spell the word played. 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 Okay, next word. Cleaned. Spell the word cleaned. 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 Okay. Next, walk. Spell walk. WALKED. Walk. Next, was. Spell the word was. 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 Visited. Spell visited. 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 Weekend. 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 Okay. Next word is holiday. Spell holiday. 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 Okay. Next word, planted. Spell planted. 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 Okay. The next word is travel. Spell the word travel. 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 Wow, good job, students. Okay, the next word that you are going to spell is passport. Spell passport. P-A-S-S-P-O-R-T. Passport. Next word, ticket. Spell ticket. T-I-C-K-E-T. Ticket. Okay, next word, suitcases or suitcase. Spell suitcases. S-U-I-T-C-A-S-E-S. Suitcases. Okay, next word, spell diary. D-I-A-R-Y. Diary. Okay. Next word, opera house. O-P-E-R-A-H-O-U-S-E. Opera house. Next word, Eiffel Tower. Spell Eiffel Tower. E-I-F-F-E-L-T-O-W-E-R. Eiffel Tower. Okay. Next word, yesterday. Spell the word yesterday. Y-E-S-T-E-R-D-A-Y. Yesterday. Okay, next word, trip. Spell the word trip. T-R-I-P. Trip. Okay. Next word, plane. Plane. P-L-A-N-E. Plane. The last word, exciting. E-X-C-I-T-I-N-G. Exciting. Wow, very good, students. So I hope you can spell all the words. Okay, so you have to practice, practice, and makes you perfect. Now for your homework. Okay, for your homework, you have to make a video. Okay, make a video, read and spell the words and send to group line. Okay, thank you. So I hope you have to do your video, you have to read it and spell the words and send to the group line. Thank you very much. Okay, good job, students. Okay, bye-bye. See you next time. Enjoy studying. Have a good day to all of you. Thank you.